Birds and us. Birds are inspiring to us humans. We love their sounds, except maybe the crows for some. They can fly, something we cannot. That fascinates us. What I find the most inspiring is how they build nests, how they groom their young, and how they eventually let the chicks fly off when they're ready. This analogy serves us humans in many aspects of our own human life, like child rearing, mastering new skills, or climbing the ladder of consciousness.